I am Brandon Stinson, and I have worked here at Peterman Heating and Cooling Plumbing for just over 2 years.
My name is Brett Wagner, and I've been with Peterman since August of this year.
My name is Brian Blankenhorn. I've been with Peterman for a little over 7 years now.
My name is Bob Heron. I have been with Peterman going on 16 years now.
I'm Pat Moore, Comfort Advisor Lafayette branch, and I've been with Peterman for 2.5 years.
I go into the home to meet with customers who are needing to either replace their heating and cooling system or they have any issues with airflow.
As well as educate the homeowners on their choices based on what their needs are.
Going out and interacting with people, helping resolve issues, and getting into people's homes and figuring out what they need and trying to help them out.
Just the relationships that we build on a day-to-day basis is probably what I find the greatest joy in.
It's taking care of somebody and knowing that you're taking care of them the right way. So that's definitely the best part of this job.
I would say the value that I always strive to achieve is to let the customers know what type of a company Peterman is, their values and what they stand for.
You got a company that's going to back you and back the customers and just be upfront and honest with you. It makes it pretty easy to come in every day, really.
All of my customers have got my cell phone if they'd like, and I tell them to program it in their phone. And in the event something isn't working properly, to reach out to me first. And if it's 4 a.m. and a good call doesn't wake me up, then definitely call the office from there. But I almost act as an ambassador with the company after the purchase as well.
But it's just word of mouth. People realize that they're wanting a company that's going to be here, that's been here for almost 30 years, and wants a company that's going to be here for 30 more.
And this is probably by far my favorite position in this business, as far as I just love the interaction with people, being out in the field.